What's up, my bros? Today I have a great tutorial to show you. I'm going to show you what materials you need and step by step on how to make this painting. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I like to mark where I'm going to set the planet. I put red in the middle, black at the bottom, and white up top. I put red a little bit more in the middle, and a tad bit of black. And get your magazine paper and put it on, lift it up. Make sure you get the texture that you want to see. At the bottom, always shade it with black. The lid on top, put black all the way around it, because that's our sky. I add red at the bottom to create the rock texture for later, because spray paint art's all about layering. And you're gonna spray a little white on your finger, and you're gonna just flick it to create the stars. And then let's see what we got. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now get the magazine paper. We're just going to do the same technique as the planet. So this is the first layer that we are lifting up right now. I spray black at the bottom to create a shadow effect, and then I do the same technique, but you don't want to press on all the black. I get my palette knife and I highlight where I think the rocks would be. I do it to both layers that I created. Kind of just drag with the palette knife to create that texture look. You want to create multiple lines when you're highlighting so you can give it a sharp look. So now you're going to grab your straight edge. You're going to spray white first and then red. This is where our water is going to go. And then you're going to use your fingers and just glide across the paint. Alright, and for the next part, I just grabbed the extra piece of poster board and I just ripped a part off. And I just sprayed white at the tip of it, and I'm dragging it across the black. That's where I want the water to be. And I just add a little bit more white to it. Now I'm going to do some waterfalls. So it is a left motion and while you're dragging the paint down. What? So I sprayed black right under the rocks. I grabbed my sponge and I'm creating bushes. I just tap on the black and it leaves this bush-like texture. And at the bottom I sprayed black. I'm going to do the same technique as the planet, and I just push it on and lift off, and you're going to highlight it again. Make sure not to go in one straight line, and right there. And I like to sign it at the corner, and just like that, the painting's complete. Sweet, you made it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and if you did, leave a comment and like below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be a lot more this year.